It's movies for me. Snapshots are good, but movies, you get to see what people really look like, you know, how they walked, how they act, how they looked and everything. I just took lots of movies. Well, my name is Robert B. Smith, Boyd Smith, go by Boyd, named after my dad's best friend. I was born on February 22nd, 1936. My best friend, Charlie Sides, he brought me down here for final review because his brother was a senior. For some reason or other, they let me just wander around out there with my camera, you know, taking pictures. And so we came down for final review, and that was it. I was sold. I said, I'm going to go to A&M. And we lived in dorm 5 in the quadrangle. I was in CAAA. I really enjoyed the camaraderie and being with my buddies down here. But I think the friendliness of the people, it's the tradition. People love tradition, kind of like being from Texas, you know. Texans are unique, and I think A&M is unique. I think that it's the tradition, it's the core. You look in the stands and you see that all those brown uniforms there in the stands, you know, it just fills you with pride. What advice would I give to a young ag today? Would I advise them to focus on their studies, their families, and develop good friendships, because you can't ever have too many friends. You know, those are the most important things in your life. If you stick with those things, you'll always be happy. You'll be rewarded. Your children will make you proud. It's a great place to get an education and to make some good friendships. And that's what it's all about. I've always been an Aggie. I'll never change that.